this year when then presumptive Chief PNP Ronald De La Rosa and I, together with a common friend from Davao, met and talked over dinner in Makati. What struck me in that conversation was his concern over some very discouraging, if not frustrating, developments that had engulfed the Philippine National Police. Hindi ko makalimutan yung sinabi niya sa akin ng gabing yun. In an agonizing voice, sabi niya, "Sir, grabe na yung nangyayari sa krami. Ang bulong-bulungan hindi na talaga nililihim. Ang usap-usapan na ron, pinagtatawanan na lamang yung take o yung payola sa IG." Sabi ko, ano ba yung IG? Sabi niya, illegal gambling. Dahil mas malaki raw ang nakukuha sa ID. Ano ba yung ID? Illegal drugs. No. And it had come to a point na there are some police officers, once they are newly assigned in an area, hindi na po yung gambling lord or yung drug lord ang umahanap ng contact o connection doon sa bagong assigned na officer. Yung bagong assigned official na, whether he's a provincial director or regional director, sila na yung naghahanap ng conduit para makakonect sa drug lord at para makakuha ng payola. As will be revealed later when we hear the testimony of Kerwin Espinosa, ganyan po nangyayari sa field. And sinabi ko noon, parang I wanted to congratulate Ronald for being the presumptive Chief PNP. But then, sa loob-loob ko lang, good luck sa'yo. And now, I would like to think, and I believe, na blessing na rin pala ang pagkapanalo ni Pangulong Duterte no, sa bansa at sa mamamayang Pilipino. Blessing na rin sa ating lahat, sa ating mga anak, sa mga kabataan, ang pagkatalaga kay Chief PNP De La Rosa na maging Chief PNP. Kasi napabayaan po talaga over time itong problema natin sa illegal drugs. Ngayon lang talaga napagtuunan ng pansin at talaga pinagtuunan ng pansin. Setting aside some excesses, setting aside some abuses committed. Yung iba talagang mukhang nangyayari na may cleansing process o may cleansing operation na sinasagawa ang ilan nating mga miyembro ng kapulisan. But by and large, we are succeeding in this fight. And I'd like to state again, for the record, mabuti na rin pala at nanalo si Pangulong Duterte at naandyan na rin si Chief PNP De La Rosa.